Hey man, are you struggling with your hair and skincare routine? Isn't as healthy as you'd like it to be? I'm Costa with Beardbrand Alliance, and I'm gonna share my daily skin and hair routine. Before I get to the routine, I would just like to say I'm gonna use and show you a lot of products that I've been using throughout the years. Some products I stopped using, but they really worked, and then I moved on to something else that I tried and liked too. I have no affiliation with any of these products or with any of these brands. No one has asked me to make this video, none of these brands. It's just stuff that I really found that it works and great products. So I would like to share them with you. Also, I'm pretty sure if you've been following this channel or the other channel, Beardbrand channel, you've seen that I've done a lot of skincare videos before. Some that actually I didn't even use products for like a month. Like I did one and I had like beard dandruff when I stopped using beard oil and beard wash and all that stuff. You also seen the one that I've damaged my hair with all the bleaching and all that stuff. So I went back to basics, to a daily routine that I've been doing for years. To be honest, I have been neglecting my skin a little bit. Even I was being a little bit lazy sometimes, and instead of putting a face moisturizer, I would just use the same one I was using on my body, which is not quite the same. Also, a friendly reminder that something that helps you maintain a really healthy skin and hair, the good old H2O, obviously a healthy diet and some exercise. So now let's get to this daily routine. This is a process that I start from the top to the bottom, and the reason being is if you clean from the top to the bottom, all the residue from the top, it just keeps falling down. So you just keep cleaning and cleaning and cleaning, and you always be clean. And this is the reason why. So you're gonna see me in the shower using the Beardbrand Tea Tree shampoo and conditioner. The reason why I use Beardbrand Tea Tree shampoo conditioner, let's say for example the shampoo, one of the main things I like about it is obviously it works, but nowhere on the bottle says is it 2-in-1, a 3-in-1, or is anti-dandruff, or makes you a millionaire. It doesn't say any of those things. So the only thing it says is apply to hair daily or as needed, and finish with a matching conditioner. That's what I like the most. Basically what it's telling you is what I'm gonna say: use it daily with the conditioner and it works. So how I like to do it, I shampoo, I like to massage it in my hands a little bit, and then apply it to my head, and then use these baby I'm showing you now. It's called the Bop. It's a brush that when you massage it, when you use it in circular motions or different directions in your head, it just helps with the blood flow throughout your scalp. Also helps remove all that dandruff, the dead skin, and that's why I like it, and I find it very beneficial. Then I rinse the shampoo really good, make sure it's all out, and before applying the Beardbrand conditioner. With the conditioner, I like to do pretty much the same thing: rub on my hands, apply it on the hair, and massage it throughout the hair and scalp. And then I rinse it, but not as much as with the shampoo. I like to leave a little bit in there so the hair Feels nice and soft, even after drying, you know. Using these again, since stopped the bleaching my hair, using these again on a daily basis, I've got rid of all that dry scalp that I had. So it's definitely a work for me. Moving on to the next area, the face. So I use a facial wash, DLC. I use it twice daily. Morning shower, evening shower, you know, if you work out or after work, you go back home, shower, boom, use it again. And what I like about this is paraben free, same as Beardbrand products, and is an enzyme gel cleanser. So it's gonna help you clean your skin and also revitalize it. It's got vitamin C, vitamin B5, so it's full of goodness that's going to help your skin, clean your skin and lift it. And this is how I like to use it. Again, rub a little bit in my hands, apply all over the skin in a circular motion, getting rid of all that dead skin. If it goes in your beard, it goes in your beard. If you don't have a beard, good for you, you can apply all over your face and then just rinse thoroughly, and bang, you're ready to move on to the next step. Next step is your beard with a Beardbrand beard wash and beard softener. Pretty much like the shampoo. You know, I've been using this pretty much since it existed. It works for me. Tells me to apply it exactly how it should be. Use it daily with its partner, and it works. So there's not a lot of secret into that. It's just gonna help you clean all the dirty stuff that you get throughout the day. And the skin underneath, giving your hair a nice glow. The way I like to use it, same process, rub in your hand, apply throughout the beard. And again, I use my friend Bob to help me clean the skin and massage the skin underneath the beard to get rid of some of that dead skin, or get rid of that dead skin and help with the blood flow again. And then yes, finish off with the softener. Gently rinse, leave a little bit of product there. And that's that with all the cleaning process done. So now we gotta move on to moisturizing. The first thing I use is high cream to remove all the puffiness and black circles around the eye. I'm going to show you two products because it's the two that I've used for a longer time. I used to use this one a lot. I can't say the word, foreign English. It's not my first language, as you all know. Anyway, it's Immunology. Hopefully I said it right. Intense Eye Care. This is a cream. So you take a little bit, tap it around the eye. But anyway, I'm going to show you the one. And anyway, I used that cream for years and it works. That's why I'm showing you. But the recent one I'm using is also eye serum, but it's not in a cream and it's with like a roll-on. It's easy for me to apply, also works. You just apply it like so around the eyes. What I like to do is, if I can, just tap a little bit. It kind of helps. Try not to get it in your eye, just around the eyes. You can also try to get it here. So yeah, this one is from East London, and I've been using it again for the past month or so, and my skin, it's back to how I like it. So that's just two great products there, and to help me sort of keep looking the same age as I suppose I am. That's a joke. Anyway, it does help a little bit with the wrinkles, but for me it's more about the puffiness and the dark circles. Next, the moisturizers. So I've got 3 different ones here, face moisturizers, by the way. So again, East London, use these a lot. Also the one I use a lot, same Immunology, but this is a different thing. This is a face serum, so this is essential oils. If you don't like to use any water-based moisturizers, like this one for example is water-based, I recommend this one. It's just the oil, and when you apply it, it just goes matte. It doesn't give you any like crazy shyness. This is a great one if you don't like water-based stuff. East London is also a great one. No parabens, all goodness in there. I've used it for quite a long time, but recently, the past month, I wanted to try something different because, as I mentioned in the beginning of the video, I kind of neglected the care for a little while. Some of it for the beneficial of some videos, and some of it because, I don't know, I think I was just getting a little bit lazy with that. But when I saw my skin going dry and broken again, I went and looked for something. I did some research and I found these. It's titled Sunday Riley. So this is a water-based cream, but again, brightening enzymes. So it's full of natural fruit, sugar, and it's super easy to apply. I actually just go from the lid. What I do is I like to go bang and then just apply a few dots throughout the skin. Like so. And then just make sure you rub all over your face. I like to put a little bit on my ears, the residue. Bang. So that's with the moisturizer and the skin, so that will all soak in and all the nutrients your skin needs that are in a moisturizer, leaving you looking radiant and healthy. Obviously, if you noticed the beginning of the video, my skin, it was actually looking good, and that was just for washing it. I had not applied anything because there was no point of me applying it twice, obviously. So this is to maintain the skin, because my skin it got to the stage that is back in a great condition. So all this that I'm doing right now is just maintaining. The next thing I like to use is moving down a little bit again. I've got actually utility balm and beard oil from Beardbrand, and I actually got a tea tree utility balm and a tree ranger beard oil. I could use the same thing, but the reason why I have tea tree beard balm, because the beard balm I'm only gonna use it in a tiny little spot, and it's just the tiniest bit, and I get dry skin on behind my ears if I don't use the utility balm. So when I stopped using the utility balm behind my ears, yeah, I get it. So what I do, I melt a little bit my fingers and I just put this tea tree utility balm behind my ears. Not too much, just a little bit there. Can apply throughout the neck. The residue. Yeah, so I get dry skin there. Every time I stop using it, I get dry skin there, so I start using it again. Like every Beardbrand product for me, it works, and I'm not just saying that. Some of you guys know. So then obviously leave-in is the last thing to do, which is the facial hair. If you don't have facial hair, you only did the step behind, which was a full face moisturizer. For guys like me that have a beard, we use beard oil. Don't need much. The way I like to apply my beard oil first, I go up, get in there. And remember, this is not styling, this is all about caring for the skin and the hair. And voila. All nicely done. Guys, just remember, I have no affiliation with any of these brands, like the products. No one has asked me to do the video. Obviously, you know, I'm a Beardbrand ambassador and I use their products since pretty much Beardbrand has started. The reason why I use them because they're good. So I'd like, and the others also, they great products. They work for sure. So if you need, ask in the comments. I'll give you a full list of all these products. Hope you enjoyed the video. Remember, sometimes it's just about starting the routine, wait until it starts getting better, and I'm guarantee if you do these steps, you'll see the results pretty quick, and then it's about maintaining it. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you very much for watching. Take care.
Dude, you want simplicity? Grab the styling balm. It's designed for your hair and your beard. It will give a satin finish with a medium hold. No, it's not a conditioning product. It's a styling product. Styling balm over at beardbrand.com.